Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Lodhi Kaneez Fatema from Political Science Department, J.A.T Art Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon Dist-Nashik. Dear students, you all are welcome in my video lecture consisting on MCQs on the topic of marginalization. This topic is related to our new subject, generic elective paper for TYBA students according to Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Question number 1. Around % population of India constitute tribals. हिंदुस्तान की कितनी आबादी ट्राइबल्स पर मुश्तमिल है? ऑप्शंस आर A 10%, B 5%, C 8%, D 12%. Correct answer is C 8%. Question number 2. Dash is one of the important industrial area where Adivasis are based. कौन से सनती इलाके में आदिवासीज रहते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर देयर ए चेन्नई, बी बेलगावी, सी भिलाई, डी दिल्ली. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी भिलाई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Dash is home to more than 60 tribal groups. There are 4 options: A Rajasthan, B Haryana, C Maharashtra, D Odisha. Correct answer is D Odisha. Question number 4. Dash was one of the writer who wrote on women issue during British era. There are 4 options. Number 1 Kasturba Gandhi, B Sarojini Naidu, C Rashundri Devi, D Kaushalya Devi. The right answer is C Rashundra Devi. Question number 5. India has more than dash different Adivasi groups. हिंदुस्तान में कितने आदिवासी ग्रुप्स हैं? There are 4 options here. A 200, B 350, C 500, D 100. Correct answer is 500. Question number 6. Adivasi society have very little dash among them. Options are A ego, B competition, C fights, D hierarchy. Correct answer is D hierarchy. Question number 7. Shakti cult of Adivasis belong to dash. Options are there. A Assam, B Maharashtra, C Gujarat, D Tamil Nadu. शक्ति कल्ट आदिवासी किस रियासत से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर इज़ ए आसाम. Question number 8. In the 1830s, Adivasis from India moved to countries such as Dash to work as plantation work. प्लांटेशन वर्क के लिए 1830s में आदिवासी इंडिया से कहाँ मूव हुए थे, किस कंट्री में वो गए थे? There are 4 options here. A. China, B. Mauritius, C. America, D. United Kingdom. Correct answer is B. Mauritius. Question number 9. Niyamgiri Hills are located in Odisha's Dash district. 4 options are here. Bhubaneswar, Sambalpur, Cuttack, Kalahandi. Right answer is D. Kalahandi. Question number 10. During the Dash century, the majority of Adivasi converted to Christianity. There are 4 options are here. 17th century, 15th century, 19th century and 21st century. किस सेंचुरी में बहुत सारे आदिवासी कन्वर्ट हुए क्रिश्चियनिटी में? Correct answer is C, that is 19th century. Thank you very much for listening this MCQs. It is useful for your paper. Thank you very much.